Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I've been on a Korean skincare kick lately, so I thought I would share some of the things that I got. I started using the Mizone Snail skincare. I got a cleanser, a face cream, and an eye cream in like a set for $34, which I thought was a really good deal. So I've been using that, and then I ordered some other things. Let's see, I got a suggestion. I think it's Gotham Mista. She's a skincare guru on YouTube. I highly recommend you check her out. She has a million different videos depending on your skin. She's like an expert in skincare, as I am not. And there is this company that she recommended, which was Melody. And I ordered from them, and they gave me this card and just kind of instructions on what a lot of people do. And then they wrote me this nice handwritten card, and they gave me a bunch of samples, and they gave me this huge free thing of toner. I'll go over the stuff that I got. And I have really dry under eyes, so I wanted to get this. She recommended this eye cream, and this is by Manufactory, and I'm probably not going to be able to say this. It's the Bifidodacto eye cream, and it comes in this huge bottle. This is eye cream, and you're getting, let's see, everything's in Korean. I can't read it. And this is the eye cream. Look how freaking big this is. I think I paid like $28 for this. And of course, it's not gonna say how many ounces. It's 30 milliliters, so whatever that is in ounces, I don't know, but it's a lot. And it's in this huge tube. This is supposed to be really good for dry under eyes, which I have. I'm not sure if you can tell. I've been using the Snail Eye Cream for a couple of nights, and I've liked it, but this has a peptide complex in it. It says eye cream that helps wrinkles and moisturizes the eyes with bifida fermentation, elastic patent ingredients, and peptide complex. She did a whole kind of spiel on this, but I will definitely post results on these. And she gave me all these free samples. She gave me this hyaluronic acid deep moisture mask, and I guess this is a new brand they have, but this is the mask, which is really nice. I love a good mask. And she gave me all these Manufactory samples. I have the Essence Cream, the Hydrating Ion Cream, the Bifida Ampoule Eye Cream, and the Hydrating Ion Toner. And what I liked about this, I ordered 2 different products on 2 different days, but they noticed and they combined my package into one package, so it was less waste for the environment, which I thought was really cool. And the other thing that I bought, this is also from Manufactory. This is the Galactome Clear Skin Toner. I read a million good things about this stuff, so I wanted to try this out. And it says it's a facial toner containing I can't say that. It's more fermented filtrate and natural derived AHA and BHA that gently remove dead skin cells built up. And I have really sensitive skin. If I use a high acid toner, my cheeks get really red for a long time. And this must be the new brand that they got. They gave me this huge toner for free. And what did her note say? Thank you so much for shopping at Melody. Please enjoy this complimentary bottle of BHA. I also hope that you don't mind that we combined your order. You can always, I can't really read the writing, let us know and they can do that again. And the company, it's Melody Cosme. is the company. I've never heard of them before, so I wonder if they have a store in New York City because I'm going in a couple weeks. But this brand is this right here, and I got the Clear Skin BHA toner, and it says normal to oily, exfoliant for smooth skin, hypoallergenic exfoliant with seaweed extract complex. So I will definitely try this and report back on everything. And this is cruelty free. It has the bunny on it too. So I'm excited for all my freaking stuff. And let me take this out. This is the free one. Ooh, that's like a really nice bottle. And it looks kind of gel-ish. I don't know. But everything on the back is Korean. And this is the other one. I watched a million YouTubes on this product Friday night, which is why I got it. And this is the Clear Skin Toner, AHA, BHA exfoliation. And it says, we begin with our aim to better your life. And everything else is in Korean. But this is the bottle that it comes in. It's a really nice, it's not cheap plastic. This is like heavy duty, like plastic, by the way, if you're wondering. But, and this is it right here. Let me know if you have any Korean skincare stuff that you love for me to check out. And thanks. Remember to subscribe. Bye.